everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is my first time actually talking in my videos, like in my clips. So I'm testing out how it goes. I'm hoping it goes well. If you don't know me, I'm Alisa. Nice to meet you. Today I wanted to take you guys along with me to show you what I eat in a day in Japan. I am staying at my grandma's house, so I'm really grateful for that because we get to cook things at home instead of going out for every meal because we stay here for a while. So I'm really happy about that. Currently 8:41. I woke up around 7 and I went out on a run. I haven't eaten anything yet, so let's go see what we're having for breakfast. Today's also my mom's birthday, so we're gonna hopefully do something to celebrate. Let's go downstairs and see what we are cooking up. Guys, we made it to the place that we're gonna eat at. It's like in a hotel and it's so nice. It's basically an all-you-can-eat but Japanese style and it sounds so good. I'll show you guys around what's inside. So this is like the appetizers and kind of just traditional Japanese dishes. Then you got your utensils. And then I think this is mochi, which looks so good. And there's like dessert here, and it's self-service, so you can get whatever you want. And then you have tempura and rice. Okay, so this is my round one. This is what my meal is gonna look like for the first round. There's so many to choose from, so this is all I picked for now. Hi everyone, welcome back. Currently 8:17 p.m. So it's been a while since I filmed, because I filmed for lunch. I'm really full from lunch because I forgot to film, but I ate a second whole plate of that whole box, and then I had dessert after and some coffee. So I'm pretty full, and I'm not really hungry to eat dinner, so I've just been drinking water and tea. I swear to God, I've ate a whole meal's worth, a whole day's worth of food during lunch. But the food there is so delicious. It is so good. I definitely recommend going there. And for that amount of food and the different varieties you get there with the dessert and drinks, it's a pretty solid price. Anyways, I'll be doing another video like this soon because these videos are very interesting to me. I always love watching these, but I'm really bad at filming them. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Sorry my videos are kind of short. I'll try to make them longer. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow.